How to water propagate your stringer parts. First, find a healthy section of vine with large, thick leaves. Leaves closer to the root system are older and tend to have a greater rate of success. Next, look for a node on the vine. This swollen portion is found where multiple stems branch off from the main stem. Look for the next node closer to the stem after that one, and then make your cut half an inch below it. Place the cutting in a jar with water covering the node closest to the cut. Roots will grow from this node, so remove any extra branches from it. Change the water weekly, and then when roots are around half an inch long, plant the cutting in some well-draining potting soil. Once the cutting is established in the soil, it will form a tuber at the base of the roots. In the right conditions, it might even grow some tiny purple flowers.